So we had this party at Pons Manor, and we packed some food to go. They packed it for us. This is a fried calamari dish, and when we took it out to go home, we took it out and we looked, and inside one of the calamaris was a fried cockroach. We messaged them. We had 3 events there in the past, and they want to say that it's not a cockroach. So I'll let you guys be the judge of it. All right, I already see where it is. They want to say it's not a cockroach. You guys tell me. This is Pons Manor in Edison, New Jersey. Can you guys see it right there? I don't even want to pick at it, but you know what? They want to say it's not, so I'm gonna pick at it. All right, guys. I'm gonna put the camera right here. This is nasty, but they said that it's not. So I'm picking it out. Now, you already see, motherfucker got legs. Is that a cockroach or not? They said it's not an insect. Why the hell am I playing with a dead insect? Now, they said it's not an insect, but you guys tell me, look, what's that? The eyes of the cockroach. I wouldn't usually make a video like this, but when someone says it's not, and it's fried inside the fried calamari, and they want to say it's not, I make a video, know what I mean? That's how it is. Crazy stuff. Yeah, it's not a proper response to say it's not when it clearly is, but now everyone can see it. Like, really? Come on. Come on. Seriously. What is that then if it's not an insect, cockroach, or something, whatever you call this? I need some science people in here. What is that for real? You can see the damn shell on the back. Like, what? Yeah, that's all. Edison, New Jersey, Pons Manor.